Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you the best setting for Cloud HyperX 3 wireless. So guys, the first step you need to do, install your Hyper 9 Unity software. This software, as you can see here guys, Nig Unity, and after that what you have to do, equalize the setting, use prestige or customize EQ setting based on your preference. For gaming, boost mics and high for better clarity, footsteps and gunfire. For music, balance the bass mids and the triple for richer sound. Communication, priorities mics for clear voice. And for the mic gain, adjust your voice is for clear without any distortions, and keep your between 60 and 80% and its most cases. And the noise cancellation turn on for reduce background noise. And for the mic monitoring side, enable, you can hear yourself when you're speaking to avoid yelling, and test your mic and voice shut up like Discord and ensure it's clear. This is the best setting guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching. See you on another video soon.